Upcyclers, it's Coral from ReMended and Revival. I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to show you the items that I upcycled, I thrift flip in the last 10 days. Welcome to my new Upcyclers. This channel is a safe place for all beginning sewers, for beginning thrift flippers, for beginning upcyclers. If you are one of those people, if you're creative, if you're curious about upcycling or using your clothes that you have at home to give them new life, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have lots of fun here and we've got great content coming up. You have caught me at the beginning of my upcycling era. I started really upcycling in early January of 2025. 10 days ago, I made this jacket. I made this jacket from a camouflage jacket and a flannel shirt. In fact, my second look is going to be the reverse of this. So I made a jacket. I have some embellishments here that I have appliqued onto the front. The fun is in the back. Good Morning Beautiful. Good Morning Beautiful is from a pillow that I found at the local thrift store. And this rooster is from a Valance. Oh, I just love the rooster. I thought Good Morning Beautiful, rooster, kind of funny. So funny. So I wanted just to add that fun, that excitement to the back of this jacket. So this is upcycle number 1. Very beginner friendly. Very beginner friendly. Number 2, like I said, you might see some similarities. Here is my thrift flip number 2. I call this my Bernie Shacket. Bernie. You'll see in a second. So in this look, I have the flannel shirt and I put the camouflage jacket sleeves on this shirt. I used the part of the pillowcase from Good Morning Beautiful on the back. This blue is a pocket from a men's long sleeve button down. I appliqued a heart on there because it made me happy. And yes, on the sleeve, I have a Bernie name tag because on the back, again, I like to have lots of fun on the back. On the back, we have Bernie Sanders. Now, I live in Vermont half the time and California half the time. So guess where I am right now? I'm in Vermont and I found this Bernie sweatshirt at a local thrift shop. I couldn't not have it, okay? So this is a marriage between a Bernie sweatshirt and another t-shirt, believe it or not. That's it, I'm moving to Vermont. This was from a t-shirt. I put them together. I wanted to make a statement. It makes me happy. I love Vermont. I love Bernie Sanders. Yeah, I love him. The last thing I did on this flannel was crop it just like the camouflage jacket was originally. I liked that look and very easy, very beginner friendly look number 2. Here's the third jacket that I upcycled in the last 10 days. This jacket is a jean jacket that I didn't really change in the front with the exception of adding the word art because there is some art on the back. And I put a placemat, I cut up a border of a placemat and put it on the inside of the cuff so when you cuffed it up, it had a little flare. But the back, oh, the back is what's the best. Just an easy way to upcycle a jacket. Put something on the back. This is my favorite painting from Van Gogh. I love this. I think I have video tutorials of each one of these looks that I will make sure are linked in my description box below. There's even a playlist of all of my upcycles, so you can watch through that playlist and see how I did each one. Again, very beginner friendly. I just cut out, this was a t-shirt. I cut out the t-shirt and I stitched it onto the back of the jacket. Super, super beginner friendly, super easy DIY. Thrift flip number 3. What's next? 4, 5, and 6. Well, these are men's long sleeve button down shirts that I have made into a more feminine looks. First one, let's put it on the mannequin. Ready? I love this shirt so much. So this was a men's shirt that I simply cropped the bottom of to make it more just polished for me. And that was all I did. That's it. I cut the bottom to a length that I wanted, stitched around the base, called it a day. I love it. I wear it. It's 100% cotton. It's comfortable. It's fantastic. Easy, easy, easy DIY. definitely take a peek at that video. Here's number 5. Okay, this is the second long sleeve button-down men's shirt that I cut up. I made it a short sleeve version. I added a little bit of a border from some fabric that I had left over. I cropped the base, but I kept a little bit of a curve at the bottom. And I also cut off the collar. This is look number 5. Super easy DIY using a men's shirt. Look number 6. This was the hardest one that I did out of all 3, but still beginner friendly. I know because I'm a beginner. Here we go. Here is look 6 using 2 men's button-down long sleeve shirts. In this case, I flip-flopped everything. I have stripe on one side, solid on the other. I did the same for the collars, flip-flopped. I did the same for the sleeves, and I also made the sleeves 3/4 length. I cropped this just like I did the first men's DIY shirt. I love it. It makes me so happy. You can do something like this too. The possibilities are endless. Look 7 is one that I just finished a few days ago and I love. It is from the company Velvet. If you know, you know. This is a great company. What's happening on the front of this camouflage vest? Nothing that I did. This was $2.99 at the thrift store. The excitement comes on the back. I mean, that's kind of my thing, I think. Look. Oh, heal. Yes, in my stage of life, there's a lot of healing. It says heal. We have a really cool image that I appliqued on to the back of this vest of a heart that is mended. Again, my name of the channel is ReMended Revival. We do a lot of mending. We're reviving ourselves. We're reviving clothing. There's a lot of healing going on in the process of sewing. And I just thought this was a good message. It was a good message for me. It's a good message for others. And I started to play with variegated thread and I love the look. All of these letters I cut out by hand. So fun, so exciting. I love this thrift flip. And lastly, the last item that I thrift flip in the past 10 days were these Levi's jeans. Are they adorable? Can you even see them? Aren't they so cute? What did I do with these jeans? Well, I added some patches, I appliqued them on, I cut some holes, I put some fabric in the back, I stitched the sides up, I added a cuff to the bottom, I distressed a little bit on the back pocket. These Levi's jeans were $2.99 at the thrift store. It's been an exciting 10 days. I just wanted to show you what a beginner can do. What a beginner can do in 10 days thrift flipping. A lot. Thank you guys so much for being here. If there's something you want me to sew, let me know in the comments below. I'll take that to heart. But I'm going to be jetting off real soon to California, so we'll be seeing some new thrift flips out on the West Coast. Thank you for being a part of our community, and I'll see you in our next video. And again, if you haven't yet watched any of these tutorials that I just showed you of upcycles, take a peek in the description box. There's a playlist with all of them posted for you. Mwah! So great to see you again, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.